These two soils were asked, Chernozem and Xerozem. This classification was given by the Soviet scientists first. We have to explain. And remember, the Soviet scientists are known as better pedologists. The Americans developed the soil taxonomy very late. But the Soviet scientists did a lot of contribution in the field of soil science. So they divided the world on the basis of some physical and chemical properties. And these words are from the Russian language. The Chernozem soil in simple language means steppe grassland soil. Steppe grassland. And if you see the grassland, the grass withers every year. It gets mixed up with the soil. So the humus content is very high. In this category of Chernozem soil, the humus content is high. Decomposed organic matter is more. And if the decomposed organic matter is more, the soil is very fertile. All the Chernozem soils are very fertile. And here you have to add the steppe soils of Eurasia, prairies of North America, pampas of Uruguay and Argentina, velds of South Africa, and downs of Australia. They are having the Chernozem soil. These soils are highly productive, and all the respective governments have brought them under cereal crops. They are providing enough cereals. This was actually one type of soil, that is Chernozem. The second is Xerozem. And my source is a very reliable source. Somebody was saying that only in my notes you can find this term. Maybe, but enough literature is available if you search the literature. I am quoting here Christopherson and Berendt, these two scholars. They have described this soil. Specifically, these are the soils of semi-arid regions. Remember, semi-arid. They are not the soils of savanna. Savanna soils are very rich in humus. Rather, the maximum humus content is found in the savanna soil. हर साल विदर होता है, मिट्टी में मिल जाते हैं, तो उसकी fertility बहुत होती है. They are better than alluvial soil. But these soils are found in the semi-arid areas. In the semi-arid areas, there is evaporation. And when the evaporation is more, through the capillary action, some of the salts appear on the surface. Through the capillary action. If you go from Delhi towards Kanpur and travel in the daytime, you will find there are some white patches. These white patches are of the Xerozem soil, affected by saline and alkaline formations. The soils which are affected by salinity, saline and alkaline formation, because of capillary action, when the evaporation is going on, some salts are pushing up, appearing on the surface. That is the Xerozem soil. And actually this condition you can find in Punjab also, in southwestern parts of Haryana, in eastern part of Aravallis in Rajasthan, because these are semi-arid areas. In semi-arid areas, if you are irrigating the field repeatedly, there will be more evaporation. So many of the good patches of soil in Punjab and Haryana, they are becoming less productive because of capillary action. You can cite this example from this. But what is the way out? So far as their distribution is concerned, they are found either in the valleys of deserts or in the periphery of the deserts. These are the areas in India. They are found in Punjab, Haryana, eastern parts of Aravallis. They are found up to Kanpur, Agra, going from Delhi. These are the Xerozem soils. Now, how to recover these soils? Now the agricultural scientists, especially the Pusa Institute, which is very close to this place, they have developed a technique how to bring the saline affected soils under agriculture again. According to the new technology, they say the field should be irrigated, filled with water. Then in the field there should be application of cow dung or buffalo dung in huge quantity, and then go for the cultivation of a crop known as dhencha crop. This is a leguminous crop. This is one way how to reclaim these xerosome soils which are adversely affected because of the capillary action. This is one technique. Secondly, they say by applying gypsum in heavy doses, these adversely affected soils may be reclaimed for agriculture. If you do this, that way it can be done. There is no problem.